Hello friends, today I'll share with you my first garden update of January 2021. These are the flowers which are blooming in my garden at the moment, and I have shot some of these flowers before and some are currently still blooming. So these are the marigolds and some chrysanthemum plants which are still flowering, and also my 3 pots of petunias which look really lovely. This is just the overall view of my terrace garden, and I'm still waiting for these dahlias to flower. It's really exciting to know which colors would come. These are my beautiful petunias, and the best thing about these petunias is that they have a sweet fragrance. Throughout the day you can smell the sweet fragrance, but towards evening it becomes really very strong throughout the night. And I got 6 plants, and out of them 5 were pink in color. And this petunia is from my last year's seeds. It's a strange petunia about which I'll make another video, and most of it is white in color. And I also got some purple petunias. So the 5th one was the purple one, the rest were pink. And these are my moss rose plants. I got 2 more shades of moss rose, and these have started blooming. I really like these 2 colors, the pink and yellow ones, and maybe I'll make some more videos using these moss rose plants. And these look really beautiful in the garden, blooming and making the garden so much colorful. This is my cherry gold plant, and it looks like a cake. It is having so many layers, really spongy. And I had a little bit of caterpillar infestation, so some of the flowers got damaged, but I managed to remove them. These are really very beautiful cherry gold plants. I got I think 3 or 4 of them, and all are flowering at the moment. These look like my white chrysanthemums, the cream colored ones, and this is a rose which I had bought this year itself, and after blooming it turned like this. And this is my older rose, my oldest rose plant in fact. It gives a lot of blooms, but it does not have any fragrance. But I had bought a rose plant last year which is also giving a lot of flowers, and it has a mild fragrance to the flowers. It's coming up next. This one is a very beautiful rose. It has a mild perfume, and it has a shaded petal, and it blooms really well. This was the first flower, so it's a bit small in size, but I really like this rose plant a lot. And these are some marigolds, and this is the needle petaled chrysanthemum. It has thin needle like petals. It's creamish in color. And this one is my favorite chrysanthemum and my white bird chili. So many chilies are still there. I don't have to buy chilies from market because of this one plant. Well, actually there are 2 or 3 in that tub. And these are the pale pinkish chrysanthemums. Small flowers, but they look really pretty. And these are my favorite chrysanthemums. My mother had given these to me. When they bloom completely, the petals just curve down and it looks like a ball. I had to give support to these plants because it had really heavy bloom and I didn't want them toppling over. This is my favorite one. If you look at the flower, the petals curve down so much that it actually looks like a ball of chrysanthemum, and so many flowers, so it makes my garden really beautiful. And these are some cosmos plants. I got 3 colors, but that plant grew so tall I couldn't actually shoot it. I had to take the picture in this vertical position. It's taller than me actually. And these are my marigolds which I had planted first of all, and these bloomed earlier, so now they are at the end of their life. This is a picture which I had taken in the earlier months of maybe December last or January beginning, and the blooms were really very good. The flowers were as big as my hands. I I mainly had the lemon yellow marigold and also one orange one. I really like these lemon marigolds. Very big and beautiful flowers. And this one, those of you who are regular, you might have seen the time lapse of this red marigold. This was also a very beautiful pot of marigold which bloomed, and it is still blooming in fact. And these were the marigolds which I had planted this year. Basically 3 or 4 pots of marigold, and 2 or 3 plants were lemon yellow, one was orange, and the other were the maroon small marigolds. So these gave flowers till early January. I had lots of marigolds, and now 2 or 3 plants have died off, and the rest are still giving a little bit of flowers. So I put this also for you to see. And these are my 2 new gerbera plants. These are pretty costly, about 300 rupees for each plant. One is this one and the other one has reddish flower. But the good thing is that they are still giving flowers. I think I have got about 8 to 10 flowers. One by one they are still giving flowers, and they came in small pots. So I am happy with these plants also. And the flowers stay for a pretty long time. And some of my rose plants, this year I didn't have too many roses like last year because some of the rose plants had died. And this is my Australian hibiscus. I had twin flowers. These are really big hibiscus, even bigger than my hands, and I really like this plant. These will be flowering in the coming months. And of course I bought another rose, this orange one, this year, and this one is my princess flower plant. It looks really pretty when lots of flowers are blooming. And I also have some wishbone plants which I grew from seeds in the same pot. They will be flowering throughout the summer months. And this one is also a plant which flowers throughout the season. And these are all the flowers that I have in my garden. Some of the chrysanthemums are still blooming. They are in the bud stage. So hopefully by next month also I'll be having some flowers in my garden. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you liked my garden, and thanks for watching.